Hi, in last video we saw how to use appointments and patient tab. Now we'll see how to use prescription tab. So there are, first of all, we'll see how to use the four shortcuts that will help us in future. These four shortcuts are templates, favorite test, favorite treatment and favorite medication. We just have to do this for one time and it will always help us in prescription tab. So let's see the templates first. Template is what? Suppose two kinds of patient come to you most of the time. They are the vomiting patient and the acidity patient. So you don't want to write the prescription pad again and again. You want to create a shortcut, a template that you can reuse whenever a patient with vomiting or acidity problem comes to you. So let's create a new template named acidity. Click on the add new button. Name of my template will be acidity. Type ACIDITY. Okay. Now I prescribe blood test to my acidity patients. For treatment, I generally recommend pranayam. So I will type pranayam. I call the patients to my clinic. Total 10 sittings are required for it, and cost per sitting is 100 rupees. So I will click on the add button to add pranayam. In medication, I generally recommend Pudinhara to my acidity patients. Pudinhara. And I recommend my patient to take Pudinhara 3 times a day. So I will type one in morning, one in afternoon, and one in night. There is one shortcut for this also. Click on the dosages drop down. If suppose you give 4 times a day, 5 times a day, 6 times a day, you can select this option also, whatever you like. You can also mention whether you want patient to take medicine before food or after food, and what will be the unit of the medicine, whether it will be a syrup, tablet, capsule. So my medicine is a tablet. I generally recommend patient to take it for 10 days. So I will write 10 here, and then I will click on the add button. You can see on the down that treatment pranayam has been added to the template, medicine Pudinhara has been added to the template. So I will save this template. Click on the save button, template created, and look at this option, acidity has been added. Okay, let's move to the favorite test now. There are some medicine that I always recommend my there are some medicine test and treatment I always recommend my patient. So some of my favorite tests are prolactin, LH, FSH, LFT. So and there is one more test that I want to add to this. Just click on add new, type the name of the test, click add the cost, add the discount of the test, and click on the save button. There are some favorite treatment that I always recommend my patients. They are like composite bonding, reconstruction and rehabilitation, smile design, rotate design. All I have added in my favorite treatment. There is suppose one new favorite treatment that I want to add. Click on the add new button. Click on the treatment name, cost, discount, and then click on the save button to save the treatment. There are some common medication that I always prescribe my patients. Those are azithrol test, NICE, Pacimol, 2-day FAB test. I have already added them in the favorite list. I want to add some new medicine to the list. Click on the add new button. Add the medicine name, company name, cost, discount, dosages, timing, before food, after food, unit, any comment that I want to add, and click on the save button. Now let's see how can we use the template acidity that we created right now. So a patient AA is sitting in front of me. So I will add a patient. Click the patient name AA. Now select the acidity option from the templates. Click here. Look, template added to prescription. You can see in the test, blood test has been added. In treatment, pranayam has been added. In medication, Pudinhara has been added. If you want, you can add some additional advice also, like don't eat cold food, or there are multiple options that we will see later when we see the prescription detail. Just click on the print button and you can see A ready to use prescription for patient AA is ready. Just click on the print to take out the print off. If you don't want to take out the print off, just click on the save button. Now we'll see how to create a prescription completely on our own. I don't have a template, a completely new kind of patient is in front of me. Patient name is Aarti Shinde. Click and select the patient. Now, if I want to record the observation, I want to do recording. Whatever conversation is between me and patient, I want to record it. Click on the start recording button. The recording has started. When you want to stop it, click on the stop recording button. This recording has been recorded for you for future use. If you want to type any complaints of the patient, like patient has come for the acidity problem with acidity with blood. So you can type it here. The good thing about here is you can use local language also. Your patient is a local patient and he or she doesn't understand English, so we can type in Marathi also. Click here, select the option Marathi, and if you write here anything Marathi, acidity, पोट दुखते, you can type here. Now you want to recommend some test to your patient. When you click here, see on the right hand side, favorite test has come up. Just check the options that you want to select for the favorite test. So here you can either write any new test you want, like your test name is you can write any test name, like sugar test. You can type here just, or you can select test from the right hand options, like prolactin. Just check, it is done. Move to treatment. Suppose you want to recommend some treatment to your patient, either you can type here or you can select from the right hand list. Or if you write just a single word, the treatment has been added. Click on the add button. Now let's move to medication. You want to recommend some medicines to patient, either you can write here or you can select from the right hand list. So if I check the Pudin Hara from right, Pudin Hara will get added. If I want to recommend nice, just check it from the right, Pudin Hara will be added. Okay. Now click on the additional advice. You want to recommend any additional additional advice, you want to give any additional advice to a patient, you can type it here. If you want to ask patient to come again, visit you for follow-up, just click on the follow-up button, mention the time after which you want the patient to come, and the reminder will not be sent to patient if you don't check this option, SMS and email. Just check this option, SMS and email reminder will be sent to patient. If you want to attach any image or any link, you can do it from here. You want to refer a doctor to patient, you can type the name of the doctor, Dr. Amit. Click on the print button. You can see complete prescriptions ready for use. So either click on the print, or if you don't want to print, click on the save button. Now we'll see, like once we save the prescription, we will go to patient tab. Our patient name is Aarti Shinde. We'll see if this prescription has got saved for Aarti or not. So for 12th August, we'll see a prescription that we have written right now. Click on the prescription. The prescription has got saved for Aarti Shinde. So you don't need to, or you or patient don't need to maintain the hard copy, the paper form of the prescription. Every data will be available on your MedDNA account. You just have to log in and see it anytime from anywhere. Yeah, thanks a lot for watching this video. Stay tuned for more videos.